You know that moment when you plant a beautiful vegetable garden, water it, weed it, baby it for months, and then 3 weeks later, it's gone, harvested, finished, and you're back to bare soil again. Yeah, same. But what if you could plant vegetables once and harvest from the same plant every year for decades? Welcome to the world of perennial greens. I spend way too much time thinking about permaculture, how to grow more food with less work and more nature doing the heavy lifting. If you're someone who loves permaculture, low-maintenance gardening, or food forests, make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Today, I'll show you 5 perennial greens you can plant once and eat from for years, sometimes decades. First up, asparagus. Most people think of it as a fancy grocery store vegetable, but in the garden, it's a long-term investment. Plant it once, wait a couple of years, and it can produce tender shoots every spring for 20 to 30 years. Here's the magic part. You don't pull the plant out. You just harvest the young shoots. The roots stay alive underground, storing energy for next year. Next is rhubarb. Yes, the pie plant. But it's also a super tough perennial green. Well, technically a stalk. Once established, a rhubarb plant can live for decades and comes back bigger every year. Quick tip, you eat the stalks, not the leaves. The leaves stay in the garden and help feed the soil. Number 3 is sorrel. This leafy green has a fresh, lemony flavor. It's one of the earliest greens to show up in spring. And once it's planted, it keeps coming back year after year with almost no effort. You just pick the outer leaves, and the plant keeps growing from the center. It's basically a cut-and-come-again salad plant. Forever. Now here's one almost nobody grows. Good King Henry. It's an old European perennial green that tastes a bit like spinach. The leaves are edible, and even the young shoots can be cooked like asparagus. And finally, tree collards. These are perennial kale relatives that can grow into small leafy trees in warm climates. Instead of replanting kale every year, you just keep harvesting leaves from the same plant. Here's why perennial greens are so powerful. They build deep roots, they survive weather swings better, and they need less watering, less digging, and less replanting. Nature does most of the work. These plants are perfect for the edges of your garden, along fences, or in a food forest setup where they can stay undisturbed for years. Plant them once, let them settle in, then just harvest. So instead of starting from scratch every season, imagine walking into your garden and harvesting from plants that have been feeding you for years. Asparagus, rhubarb, sorrel, Good King Henry, tree collards. Plant once, eat for decades. If this opened your eyes to a whole new way of growing food, you're going to love permaculture gardening. Subscribe for more low-work, high-reward food growing ideas. Your future garden and future self will thank you.